Kindreds, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a subscriber, hey, I'm Shalada. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to be a part of the tribe and all that good stuff. It's actually Sunday, right? And I've been on the go all day, but as much as I've been on the go all day, in my opinion, it seems like nothing has been done or been completed as I would like it to. Bringing you all along with me, to see what I do. I'm tired. I am so tired. If I give you all the list of things I do this weekend, I'm so tired. The only thing that I've truly completed was getting my daughter's hair comb. That is not in place at the moment, so they need to get in place. Right, I need to iron my daughter's school clothes, make sure her bag is packed and everything for in the morning, right? And as I said, everything needs to be done. Anyway, let's not make this intro too long, right? As you all can see, yes, I am looking my usual not very put together self. Right, listen, I'm tired, okay? I'm tired. But I know you're not really supposed to sweep in the night as the old folks say, but listen, it how one need to sweep, it how we need to mop. We just gonna power through. We just gonna power through. So it's 3 minutes since I've been talking. So let's go.